Well, this isn't the kind of update I like to make, but here we are. What's up everyone, Nick, MHR Off-Road. Not the kind of update I usually make. I'm out of videos. This is what I'm doing, so I thought I'd make a video of it. On our last trip across the Georgia Traverse, the Cherokee started making a knocking sound, and it has gotten progressively worse. I think we got a problem in the bottom end, so today I'm going to dive in and see if I can figure out what's going on. I first heard the knock when we first got up to North Georgia and South Carolina, because we did the Traverse east to west. It had a slight knock before we left. I went ahead and ran it, and the knock got 20 times worse by driving up the interstate and through the mountains, 800-mile round trip roughly. So I can start it and give you guys a listen. It's really bad in park neutral. As it warms up, it gets really bad in drive and reverse. So let me get that going for you. So luckily, I replaced this engine about a year and a half ago. I recorded that and put it on the channel. Here it is. So luckily I have a warranty through AutoZone from it. So just for warranty claim purposes, I'm going to drain the oil, pull the oil pan off, and see if I can diagnose or determine what that noise in the bottom end actually is.
Alright, so first things first, I'm going to drain this oil and see if there's any obvious metal shavings or anything in there. Nice and cold. Alright, so that's drained for a little bit. And I've taken all of the oil pan bolts out except for 3. This is mainly just the corners. I'm going to remove the back 2 now and try to lower the back, and I'll take the front 2 out, and then I'll try to fish the oil pan out. So we'll see how that goes. Alright, so I'll take these last 2 bolts out if I can find them. Like I said, I left 2 in the back and there's 2 in the front. I know I said 3, but that's because I thought I took the exhaust one all the way out, and I didn't, so there's 4. Alright, there's 1. See if I can even get to this one with my hand. Alright, there's 2 in the back. How easy do you think it's gonna just come? I mean, it feels. Got my little pry bar. Okay, there's the back 2, and now I just gotta get those front 2. Alright, question is, can I fish this out of here? Doesn't look like it. Alright, so it looks like I'm going to have to take the starter out. I thought I could wiggle it out and around between the header and the starter. Believe I got the clearance up there to get out of here, but with this in my way, it's not allowing me to get the lip out and around this. So I'm going to get this off, and then that should allow me to rotate and come out, hopefully. So let me get that out, and then I'll come back when I'm dropping the pan. Alright, so got the starter out. Actually see if I can wiggle this out now. Alright, so with everything out, Nothing entirely stands out to me. Nothing makes me say, oh, that's it. I'm gonna check all my caps here. I mean, I got a handful of caps that might be hard to tell on the camera. Like that one wiggles, and that one wiggles too. Alright, so looking over the actual caps for the crankshaft bearings, number 2 here has significantly more play than any of the other ones. So I didn't see any metal in the oil when I drained it. So I'll probably ask Thomas what he thinks, if he thinks maybe I can just kind of tighten these down and get by for now, or if I should just go ahead and warranty the engine. I got a 4-year warranty, so I mean, even if I crank it down, it's just a band-aid for a few months to a year. I mean, I'll just warranty it next year and I can avoid that problem for right now. So let's get back up top. I'll wrap up this video and then we'll get out of here.
So for my uneducated guess, it kind of looks like maybe some of those caps have come loose or backed off a little bit or got some excessive clearance, which is causing my knock. Because it's under warranty, I'm tempted to just try to tighten them, snug them down, see if that works. Probably get Thomas's opinion since he's a lot more mechanically inclined, way more mechanically inclined than I am. I'll see what he thinks. If he thinks I can get away with it for some time, like maybe I snug them down and I'll be good with it for whatever, but we'll see. I might still do the claim and see what they say, see what the actual warranty company says. Maybe they'll be like, yeah, snug them down. If you get another 1,000 miles out of them, you get another 1,000 miles. Because it'd be really nice just to snug them down, throw a gasket on it, and be done for now, instead of pulling this engine again and changing it. I'll keep everyone posted on Instagram and Facebook with what I got going on. If anybody has dealt with this problem, or maybe I'm just overseeing what could be the real issue, please leave a comment and let me know, because more knowledge is better knowledge. So make sure you subscribe to follow along with the teardown of this rig, whether it's wrenching on it to fix it or I'm doing a whole nother engine swap. Thanks for tuning in for this short little video. And once I get this fixed, we'll see you out on the trails. Bye!